Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best streets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Checkra1n Beta and custom wallpapers for iMessage. This tweet is called Decident and brings true application background management back to your device. So it features background modes which you can assign either globally or to individual apps. So you have off, disable, and background, fast freeze, instantly suspend apps in memory. Native, Apple's way, eliminate native, infinite background test. Foreground, iOS behaves as if the app was running in front. So this reminds me of a tweak called by Spark. I forgot the name of the tweak though, but it basically allows you to do the same thing. So basically allows you to have like background and run apps in the background. It's a little outdated, but still pretty cool tweak. Deciding it's stable again, but needs some work for unlimited native mode. This tweak is called Starfish Beta, and the long way to redesign is here. So it designs the home screen with a beautiful new layout. Every detail of the design has been mystically refined, how it interacts with the wallpaper to the gestures found throughout. This is called Lints and Ultimate Itemized Customization for iOS 14 and above. Next tweak is called No Motion, completely removes the parallels effect even in third-party apps. Next tweak is called No More Short Codes, version 0.0.2. Updated with whitelisting and blacklisting, so automatically deletes 2 FA or short codes after a set amount of time. This tweak is called Tooth Modules and quickly connect or disconnect from Bluetooth devices using the control center configure device and settings. So you see that Bluetooth module right there. Let's use a theme called Retina, and Retina is truly a true design icon, bringing back the skeuomorphism design to iOS, so completely designed with Microsoft Excel 2010. This is called Cloaky, iOS 11 to 14, cloak annoyance items. This is called Reach Info and Reachability modernized. This is a theme called Eye Candy. So it's basically a theme that's like this. This is called Search for Clubhouse, search for current groups in Clubhouse. This is called Notify Barrage or Barrage. This tweak is called What to Suit 3 for WhatsApp, only one tweet for WhatsApp Messenger. This tweak is called What to Suit Tools and Library for What to Suit and WhatsApp tweets. This tweak is called Translamatic, quickly translate any text. This tweak is called Plus Plus Tweets Collection, combine packages for installing all Plus Plus tweets. This tweak is called Assistant Plus and allows anyone to easily personalize and enhance Siri by creating custom responses and activate listeners for Siri commands. So new or Assistant Plus allows anyone to personalize and enhance Siri by creating custom responses. And this is the more updated version. Supports iOS 11.2.0 later. This is called Conditional, allows restricting which apps are given access to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So supports iOS 13.0 or later. This is called Grady and brings YouTube Music or Google Media Player to iOS. This is called Search Auto Focus and automatically focus on the search bar. This is called Search Amplius, adds many custom search result sections to Spotlight using Search Loader. And this is called Search Loader, developer package which allows third-party developers to add their own Spotlight search result categories. This is called Search Lite, system search application launcher that can be launched anywhere, take control of Spotlight. This is called Display Policy, hide search view, today, view, etc. This is called Arizona and lets you change the alignment of the stock lock screen clock to a fixed position. This is called Sentinel and stop having to jailbreak your battery when your battery dies. So helps you avoid having to jailbreak when your device runs out of battery. So when the battery charger reaches a certain set percentage, it will initiate a phase shutdown, so you can save your battery, so you want to jailbreak. This is called Hardware Specs, about hardware information. This is called KillX Pro, one swipe to kill them all. This is called Intelligent Pass 4, disables the passcode when in a safe environment. This is called Customize BW, customize your battery widget. This is called Olympian Preferences, preferences framework for Arcus Olympian dev team. Live Fox Utils, basic utilities required by all Fox 4 tweets. This is called Snapper 2 version 2.5.9 and allows you to like basically crop. You can crop and like screenshot and then like have it draggable like on like the screen. So one of my favorite tweets also is like zoom. You can zoom on images, you have OCR, which you can copy attachment images easily. You have QR codes you can scan. Translate text with Translamatic. Directly from Snapper, so only in version 2.5.9 and above. Supports iOS 13 and 14. So that's pretty cool. So yep, features, you control the area, use it activator, snaps, you snap it, you could share it, save the camera roll instantly, copy test images, and also animations, no DRM, scan QR codes easily, version 2.5 and up. So let's see, this is what people said about Snapper, and it's a great tweak, and it is a great tweak. So this is a new iOS update. Reopen the last snap if open after changing settings. Fits some newer iPad Pros, not automatically applying rotation fits tutorial cut text cut off on iPhone 12s. And I think the big thing is added Translamatic integration. Minimum version to use is 2.8.2, so that's really cool. Choose called Puck and prevent the need of jailbreaking. Last tweet's called Unlock Volume 13, allows changing the volume while locked. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.